Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first look of the biryani that we are going to cook today, blast of flavors. Now let's see what all are the ingredients needed for it. We will need around 200 grams of mushrooms chopped into 3 to 4 pieces. Then we will also need 2 medium-sized onion and 3 medium-sized tomato chopped into fine pieces, 2 green chilies and around 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then we will also need around 5 to 6 onions chopped like this and around 18 to 20 raisins and 18 to 20 cashews. Then we will need coriander and mint leaves finely chopped. Then for the garam masala we will need 5 to 6 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 cardamom and 8 to 10 cloves. Then for the tadka we will need 1 tablespoon of poppy seed, 1-inch cinnamon stick, black cardamom, black raisins, javitri and blackstone flour. This biryani is cooked like the famous Hyderabadi Dum Biriyani style, where the ingredients are steamed while placing them in layers, and so the rice gets a very unique flavor. And also you can adjust the rice and the masala portion according to your like while serving. There are 4 steps involved in this. First, prepare the topping, prepare the rice. Cook the mushroom and then steam the rice and the mushroom together. Now I am going to prepare the toppings. First I will fry the cashews until they are golden red. Then I will fry the raisins till they are puffed up. Now they are done. Now I am going to fry the onions. We have to fry it in slow flame so that they are not burned. Getting ready, and now they are almost done. Now I am going to place them like this so that the extra oil gets accumulated in the bottom, and then I will carefully remove them like this, leaving behind the extra oil. Here I have taken 2 cups of washed rice, basmati rice, and for 2 cups I will pour in 6 cups of water. And then I will add 2 to 3 cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 cinnamon, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I will squeeze in around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we will boil the rice. After around 10 minutes, I am going to check the rice. Once the rice is half cooked and it breaks into 3 pieces, we are done. The reason we are cooking the rice half because later again we are going to steam the rice with the mushroom masala. I am adding in around half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Just after adding the essence, we will strain the water and the rice is cooked. Now we will keep the rice half covered. Now for the mushroom masala, heat 3 tablespoons of oil, add bay leaves. Then I am going to add in the chopped onions. Now I will fry it for some time. Keep stirring. When they are little golden, I am going to add in the ginger garlic paste and the green chilies. When they are nearly cooked, I will add the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Now I am going to add in the salt. Give it a mix. And when the oil starts leaving, I am going to add in the mushroom. Mix it well. The mushroom tends to release a lot of water and gets reduced to almost 1/3. Now we will roast in our garam masala. Once they are nicely done, we will powder it. Now to the mushroom I am adding it turmeric, then chili as per your taste, and we will keep mixing. After almost 10 minutes, it's done. Now, take an aluminium vessel, or you can also take a non-stick pan. To this, I am adding in all the tadka ingredients that I have shown before. Give it a good mix. And then we will add in our mushroom masala to it. Mix it well. Then at this point I'll add the coriander and mint leaves. Now I'm adding it a little bit of water so that it is not burnt. We need the consistency to be a little runny. At this point we will add in the garam masala powder. Give it a good mix. And then I will start layering it with the cooked rice, just above it. I am going to keep all the cooked rice above the mushroom masala. Then we will top it up with our fried onion and fried cashews and raisins. Cashews and raisins. Now we are going to steam and slow cook it for another 20 minutes. And I am keeping some weight above it so that the steam doesn't escape and we retain the maximum flavor. After 20 minutes I am removing the weights. And we are done. All steamed and flavorful. The masalas are there at the bottom and the biryani is cooked. Adjust the masala and the rice as per your taste and liking. Yay, we are done. The flavorful mushroom dum biryani. Serve it with papad and salad. Let me know in the comment section below how it turned out, and yes, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.